Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday. Friday, August the 26th, 2022. Almost weekend. Yes, I have already solved two puzzles in this additional, the 3 stars and the 4 stars. Well, this is really a 4 stars. Two puzzles are left. The tectonic and the binary. Yes, it's binary time now, and this will be number 5078. 5078. Before I start, yeah, what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8x8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Between two O's comes in one, double one, here no, there no, double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O, between two O's comes in one, double one, here and one. So we double O, here one, there one, double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no, double one, here no, there no. Yeah, now, well, I know between an O and a 1, with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So those 2 boxes should be a 1. Let me see. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this second row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1, this should be an O. Then. Let me think. Well. 2, 3. Need to compare? That's, oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Here. Then. Then I need to compare, I think. Need to compare. We have 3 columns. We have 2 rows. How about this row and that row? Yeah. 1 empty box. 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. Otherwise we will have identical rows. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Between the 1s comes an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. between two O's comes in 1, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones, 4 ones we have here in the first row, so the rest are O's, 4 O's we have here in the first column, so the rest are ones, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 5 minutes, yes. Well, only one time comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also for by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.